Hello guys, welcome to my channel Khan Marketing. In this video I am going to show you how you can make $50,000 per month without creating videos on YouTube. This is 2020 method and it is currently working, and many people are making thousands of dollars per day using this strategy. And these are the things that I will cover in this video. I will show you from where you can get those videos. I will also share you some of the channel examples, and in third step I will show you how you can replicate the strategy that those people are following. And at last I will show you which things you should avoid in order to get better results. But before starting out this video, if you do not know about my channel, then it is all about money making opportunities, making a full-time income from home, and I am regularly sharing you some of the top strategies online that if you can implement, you can change your life. In the description section, I will also share my most recommended system, number one recommended system that can change your life, and it is the most popular system out there nowadays, where you can start learning how to make your $1,000 per day online. Now let's move to our slides. That is the platform name. The platform name is very popular, TikTok, and as you are aware that TikTok is currently trending nowadays, and basically you can install that app into your mobile phone, and it is actually a platform where people share short videos, funny videos, and other similar types of videos just for fun. So what we can do and what other people are doing who are actually making money, what they are doing, they're just taking those videos and they're compiling those videos into a single video, and then they upload it into their YouTube channel. As you know that these are loved by millions of people all over the world. So once they get viral, they get millions, 100 million views per video. So you can imagine, let's suppose, just if I just take you to different channel examples here, and many people believe that those compilation videos do not get monetized on YouTube. So just for those people, as I have just opened up this video, and this is an ad, 4 seconds remaining ad, 1 of 2, and this is just TikToks that save us from WW3. This is a live example here, and these videos are actually monetized. So don't worry about monetizing these videos. And now let's look at few of the channel examples. This is the first channel, Succulent 241,000 subscribers, and this channel is even not old, just launched in 2018 and already received over 160 million views. So if I just open up my calculator here, 160 million views. So let's suppose YouTube are paying at the rate of $4 per 1,000 views. So $640,000 just from compilation TikTok videos. You can imagine the potential here. Now let's move to our next channel. This is also best TikTok compilation, and the channel was launched in 2017 and it has received over 373 million views. So just for the sake of example here, if we just figure out how much this channel has earned over the period of time, and if we just take $4 as an average, multiply by 1,000, so over $1 million this channel has earned from YouTube ad revenue. And next, look at this funny people videos. So launched in 2017 and has received over 100 million views. The fourth example is TikTok Mail, launched in 2017 and has received nearly 39 million views. So it all depends upon how much ads you are placing on your video, and nearly all of the videos, those these channels are uploading on their channel are 10 minutes long, so they can add as many ads as they want. So as you are aware that YouTube has a policy of, if you have a video of above 10 minutes long, then you can place multiple ads into your video. So if you add multiple ads, then it means more earning. Your ad will be viewed by more people and it will result in more earning for you. So after showing you different examples here, now let's move to our next slide, how to do it step by step. It's really simple. All you need is to download TikTok app into your mobile and open up different videos. You need to download these videos one by one, like 4 to 5 videos, so it nearly make up more than 10 minutes long. So once you downloaded these 5 to 6 videos, now add these videos into video editor. I am currently using Camtasia. You can also use some free stuff. Just Google it, different free Google editors out there, and just add these videos into your editor and compile that video into that one video. I will not going to show you in this video because this will video make that video too big. Once you have completed that video, download or render that video and upload that video into your YouTube channel. So I recommend you to create one video for one day. If you just do it for 2 to 3 months, then your channel will start kicking up on YouTube and will receive millions of views over the period of time. Just do it consistently for 2 to 3 months and definitely you will start seeing some great results over the period of time, and this is where your channel will suddenly lift up and starts receiving massive growth on YouTube. Now the last step is things to avoid. I recommend you, from where you are getting your TikTok videos, I recommend you to just take permission from those creators, and definitely they will give you the permission, because what you are doing, you are actually promoting their videos into your YouTube channels. So I don't think they have any issue at all, and I also recommend you do not remove their TikTok logos from that video, because it will be unfair for the creators. And with respect to one more thing, the music, this is really important. If you use that copyrighted music, your videos will not get monetized. I recommend you to use free music in your videos. You can totally edit that music in your video editor and just add copyrighted free music into your videos, and if you are using that free music, definitely you can get those videos monetized. But if you don't do that, I am just going to show you an example here. This is the video, and as you can see that this video is claimed by the music companies, so all of their ad revenue, all of those videos ad revenue will be shared by those different brands. So I recommend you do not use those music that are copyrighted and just use free music. You can buy different music online, and you can find it online for free, and you can use that music in your videos. So this is a short video, and in which I have shown you all this in a step-by-step manner, and people are implementing these strategies and they are making tons of money. So don't worry, just start it today, and if you have any question in your mind, please ask me in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you.